L is also a regular language. So this is nothing but regular language on what? On the basis of sigma, that I'm taking sigma here as A is equal to B, A comma B. A comma B, sigma, I can take A comma B. Sigma is equal to A comma B. The regular language I'm taking on A comma B. So here f of I can take f of A, f of B like that. Okay. If f of A and I can take it as f of B. All such type of things. Whatever you're taking f of A or f of B, if you're substituting anything in that, the whatever the result it is going to get, that is also regular language. You can take like this. Means what I'm going to give in this f is I'm going to give some substitution. So you'll come to know this f of A is also regular. I can take R1 and this as R2. So let us take some proof to explain what is that, how it is regular. Now I am taking a language called here L is equal to, let me take here, L is equal to, I'm taking here better, L is equal to A star, B star, A star, B star. Regular over what? They are regular. Over what? Over what is the sigma here? Regular over sigma is equal to A comma B. Okay. Sigma is equal to regular over sigma is equal to A comma B. Sigma is equal to A comma B. Now what can I take here? I am giving you something, see, f of A and f of B. Now you have to substitute f of, because A star, B star, no. So some substitution I need to give for f of A. So let me write that. What is that? F of A I am giving you. F of A is equal to, that is 0 followed by 0 or 1 whole star. Okay. Then f of B is equal to 1. So this is what substitution I have given here for sigma. L is equal to A star B star, which is a regular, over a sigma is equal to, who is that? What else? Over a sigma is equal to A comma B. Okay. So L is equal to A star B star, it's a regular. Over sigma is equal to A comma B. Now I'm finding f of A and f of B here. Now see what can I do here? F of, I'm finding f of L now. What I need to find? F of L. F of L. What is this f of L? F of L is nothing but f of A star B star. Okay. F of A star B star. That is equal to, what can I write? F of A star whole star means I can write like this. Listen carefully. That is equal to f of A whole star. Okay. Then f of B. F of B. This is here. I'm writing in this part here. Like this I can write f of A whole star, then here f of A star, f of B whole star. This f of A star B star can be written like this. Okay, please remember. Then equal to, once again, what can I write here? So f of A is nothing but, you know very well, f of A. What is f of A? Already it is f of A is nothing but 0 followed by 0 or 1, 0 or 1 whole star. 0 over whole star, over star, because f of whole star you said, no, that's a over star. So let me take one more bracket here. Okay, this is what the next other one. What is the next part here? Let me close this bracket. So I need to take a bracket first, then I can write. then it's f of b whole star means overall 1 1 whole star. Okay, here now. See, whatever you got here, this part, whatever you got this part, this is nothing but regular only, no? Whatever you take whole star, clean closure of any zeros and ones, definitely some language will be generated and which belongs to regular language. So that's why I can tell f of L is a regular language. Is it clear? So you can take some simple definition here. What is the substitution actually? Please take this definition. I hope whatever I explained is it clear. F of L, because they have given some language L is equal to and they are given some f of A, f of B to substitute. F is nothing but here substitution. We are doing substitution like a functions. You know, you have seen the functions like mapping, like f of A is equal to 2x, f of B is equal to 3x, then find f of AB, like that they'll be giving, or f of A plus f of B, like that you have seen in your intermediate of functions, and you have seen in this concept in discrete mathematics, right? Discrete structures, sorry, you learn discrete structures, there you have seen such concepts. It is almost nearby that, I can say. So let us go to the definition. What does the substitution means here? Substitution. Okay. So substitution means in a given regular language, what can I take in a given regular language? Every input symbol is substituted with some regular language. Okay. Every in given regular language, every input symbol is substituted with some regular language, Okay, so you can take this part. In a given regular language, every input symbol is substituted with some regular language. Okay, I can take like this. So this is what a definition. The next you can see, this is one way of proof. There another way of proof is also there with epsilon and fa. No need now, it's not required. If you prove like this, that is also enough. If they ask a substitution property, first of all you write f of regular is equal to regular. F of regular language you take here. Regular language you take. F of regular language. F of regular language. Of regular language is equal to regular language. L I am giving regular language to F, that is a substitution f of and f of B. F of L I am getting a regular language. Sigma is equal to A comma B. So L is equal to A star B star, which is regular, over a sigma is equal to A comma B. Now f of A is there, f of B is there, f of L I want. So that I can write f of A whole star, f of B whole star. Okay, then f of A means 0, 0 plus 1 whole star and 1, 1 whole star. In a given regular language, so that's whatever the f of L is given, whatever I'm getting after substitution, that is also a regular language. So what they mean to say, what is the definition of the substitution here? In a given regular language, every input symbol is substituted with some regular language. Is substituted here. Okay, now spelling you please take care of this. Substituted with some regular language. Is it clear? Yes, what happened? The remaining people here, 25, 24 people are there. Rachana 548, 15 say 18 series.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Rajashri 539. See, Monday or Tuesday next week onwards, class is going to be very important. Please, everybody should come regular. Otherwise, you'll miss an important topic where passing of the subject will become difficult if you miss the topics. I'm telling you, because you need to read, practice well, because very less time is there. Within this less time, you have to cover and you have to learn. So many things are there. So that's why I'm telling, attend regularly. Tell your friends, inform your friends to attend regularly. Anyway, we are informing personally. You inform your friends also to attend the classes regularly. Otherwise, it will affect on the academics. You cannot write. Your pen will not move on your paper. I'm guaranteeing that. When you don't listen and don't practice, you feel that everything you know. But once you come right, take one problem and try to solve it. Is it possible to solve? If you're getting well and good, that is fine. But if you're not getting, what is the fault? Where is the fault? Fault is that you are not listening to the classes. You are not understanding the concept properly, or otherwise you are not practicing well. So practicing, understanding, these all are important. Representing, everything is important. These all are skills required to pass the subject with good marks. So please take care of it. That's it. I need to tell about it. Now see, substitution we have done. We'll be seeing the next property. Please take this notes properly. If anybody is taking, please take. Then we'll be going to the next property, that is called homomorphism. That is nothing but homomorphism. Then we'll see homomorphism, inverse homomorphism, then quotient. We are going to see quotient also. Afterwards, we'll see half, one third of this. So many are their properties, but few I'm explaining. Remaining all we can do. Okay. Just take another one. I hope substitution we have done. I think so. Let's see. So substitution we have done. No need to say. Homomorphism also we have done. I think so. Okay. Anyway, we'll see. Yeah, see the homomorphism here. We are using the strings of we use strings as a substitution here. There we were using the symbols as a substitution. We were using the symbols. You please remember the definition of substitution. Every input symbol is substituted with some regular language. Okay, now here we use strings as a substitution. What we are going to use? Strings as a substitution. Now H I am taking mapping sigma to sigma star. What is this delta star? Delta star is nothing but that is a universal set I can take. Okay, now make sigma if I'm taking 0 comma 1, then all possibilities of zeros and ones, whatever you're getting zeros, ones, and all number of possibilities that I can take it as a delta. Delta as a delta star. So delta is equal delta is nothing but it's a universal set. Now what they have given? They have given a language here. L is equal to, please look over here. They have given a language. What is that language they have given here? They have given the language as L is equal to A star B A star. Now if I want to find H of A, what is H of A? They have given certain substitution. Okay, I can call it as a homomorphism. Okay, I can call it as a homomorphism. Then this is called homomorphism, like H of A is equal to 0 1, H of B is equal to 1 1. Now I want to find H of L, that is homomorphism. Here the simple, the difference is nothing but in the function we were in the substitution we were using symbols, we were substituting symbols. But here what we are doing, we are not substituting symbols. In the place of symbol something we need to substitute, but here we are substituting as a strings. We use strings as a substitution. Please remember, many people may get a doubt, sir, substitution and homomorphism both are same. No, no, they are not same. Substitution in the sense they are substituting symbols. In any certain symbol, we are substituting some other regular language. But here in universe, here we are strings we are using for the substitution. Let us take L is equal to A star B A star. What is H of A? H of A is nothing but H of A whole star, H of B, H of A. We can take H of A whole star, H of B, H of A, like a function, like substitution only. What is H of A? H of A is nothing but 0 1. Whenever you are getting H of A star, then I need to take H of A whole star. Okay, then H of B, then H of A. This is the rule which you need to consider while writing a function, or I can say substitution method. Okay, now. So, but we are using a strings here. H of A is nothing but 0 1 whole star. H of B is nothing but 1 1. It's a 0 1. That's it. Nothing else other than that. 1 minute. Yeah. See here. So what is there here? L is equal to A star B. H of A means 0 1 B is 1 1. H of A whole star 1 1. This is nothing but it's a homomorphism, like a substitution only, but we are substituting strings. Now coming to the inverse homomorphism, it's very simple. L is equal to 0 1 1 1 0. This is my language. What is H of A? He has given certain H of A is equal to 1, H of C is equal to 1, H of C is equal to 1 1. Like this he has given. H of 0 is equal to H of A is equal to 1, H of B is equal to 1, H of C is equal to 1 1. Now I want to find H inverse of 0. H inverse of 0 is nothing but A. H inverse of 1 is nothing but B. H inverse of double 1 is nothing but C. I hope you are understanding what I mean to say. Because you have seen when we write tan inverse of x is equal to 2, we write tan x is equal to 2 inverse, like that. Right or not? Tan x is equal to 2 means I can write x is equal to tan inverse of 2. right or not? X is like I can say theta is equal to tan x. Then I can write x is equal to tan inverse of theta. In the same form here also h of a is equal to 0 means h inverse of 0 is nothing but a, h inverse of 1 is equal to b, h inverse of 1 is equal to c. Like that I have taken. Now see, I want h inverse of a. Now see the possibility how I am writing this. So many strings you got, sir, for given these two strings. For given two strings, how you are getting so many things. Okay, now see here 0 1 1 triple 1 0. This is nothing but here you see 0 means what can I take? H inverse of 0 is nothing but A. I can write A. Okay, 1 is there. H inverse of 1 is B. I can write B. H inverse of H in one more 1 is there. So H inverse of 1 is 1 more B, like that. That is one possibility. You can take other possibility. Anything is there here 0 1 not there, fine. So H inverse of 0 is nothing but A I can write. But double 1 is available directly. I can write AC because H inverse of double 1 is C. So directly I am taking two ones at a time. Just before what I have taken single one separately, single one I have taken. That's why I have written a different form. Now I am writing double one together at a time. That is nothing but H inverse of C. The same way, when you go for the triple 1 0, or I can take triple 1 0. So what is this triple 1 0? This triple 1 0 I am getting H inverse of 1 is B. I'll take, then I'll get A because H inverse of 1 is B. That's why three times I'm getting B. Afterwards I'll be getting A because H inverse of 0. So what is the other part? BCA. Why BCA? Because see H inverse of H inverse of 1 is B. Inverse of double 1 I can take it as C. Then H inverse of 0 is A. So that's why I've taken BCA. In other form, I can take two ones at a time. That is H inverse of double 1 is C. Is A, CBA. Is it clear? So this is your H inverse of language. So language is this one. L is equal to H inverse of L. You can take some examples like this and you can prove it. I hope it is clear or not. Everyone, please respond. What happened? Not responding. Why not with audio? Please respond. I already told you. Respond with audio. Sri Lanka 557. Varun 504. Audio with audio you respond, Anna. With audio you respond.
Clear, sir.
What about remaining people? Sunarvita,
Yes,
Rachana,
sir.
Vidya. Is it clear? Okay, fine. So let us topic. That is nothing. Here only I am explaining once again. See here. What is said here, Nana? H inverse of we are getting this one, no? See how to reach this final state actually. This is a language actually. We have covered this L is equal to what you are getting 1 1 0 0 1 1. Two strings I'm taking. 1 1 0 means 1 1 1 0. With 0 I'll be coming to the final state. Other form is 0 1 1. 0 1 1 I'll be reaching the final state. Thus this is also one way of representing. If anything is there, we'll be seeing here. That's it. That is a way of representing here. Okay, that's a way of representing. Then afterwards, H inverse of A you can find here. You can find H inverse of A. I don't know why they have not given here. Yeah, what is H inverse of A? We'll find here now. H inverse of A, this is nothing but like I have given a finite automata. This is starting here. I have given finite automata for language L. Then you need to find for H inverse of L. Same by taking same thing, you can do it. Please try over it. Very simple. See, if you don't know, no need to write this. You can complete till here only. But by taking this also, we are able to prove it. That's it. Nothing else other than that. We are able to prove it. Means I'll be drawing here, but it takes time. No problem. We'll draw it here and I'll show you. Let me take this as A. Okay. This as B. This has C is here. This is D. This is E. This is F. This is G. Okay. So here. Now, this is what we have given for the given language. 0, 1, 1 means from initial state to 0, 1, 1 means it is reaching to G, which is the final state. 1, 1, 0 also it is reaching G. Now, let me draw the finite automata where I can make it very clear. I hope we'll be drawing here better. Space will be sufficient. Fine. See here now. We take another color. See here now. This has the initial state A. This has B. Let me draw with that only. This has A. This has B. This has D. This has F. This has C. This has E. And this has G. This has G. Now see. This has A I can take. Let me take other color. This has A I can take. This has B I can take. This is C. This is D. This is F. This is E. This is G. Okay, now see here. Now what is there? A to B are going on 1. So 1 represents what? 1 represents what? See the same thing here. 1 represents what? A to B are going. From A to B are going. Okay, by 1 you are going. What does that 1 represent? H inverse of 1 is nothing but B. So I can write here as a B. Okay. The next B to D also I am going on 1. So what is 1 represent here? What does that 1 represent? H inverse of 1 is nothing but B. Once again B. Okay, fine. Once again 1 you are having D to F, D to F. What does that 1 represent? That represents nothing but 1. Again I am writing the same thing. But now F2 you are having 0. 0 represents what? A. H inverse of 0 is A. So that's why I am taking here as A. So this is very simple term I have taken. I have taken B, B. 1 means what? Again B only, no? B, B, A. B, B, A. That is covered this string. This type of string is covered here now. This string is covered. Now let us go for other string. What is there? BCA is also there, no? For this BCA. Because why? One means very simple. One is 1B. The second one, 2 ones is taking at a time, that is C. So directly you can go from here A to F. Directly you can go to with C. A to F you can go to C. Why like that? Because string you see CBA, C, then B, then A. Better not CBA. So directly C means where you need to reach. C means what? Double one. So for double one, C you can reach from here. Like this you can cover. Now other form you see here. A to D. A to D I can take C. A to D. One more, but not this one. This one. A to D. Because double one, no? Double one means what? Double one followed by 1 0. So C. Then 1 0. What does that 1 0 represent? 1 means again B. So B. So okay, B, C, B. Then A. C it is reaching a final stage. Okay now. Other one is CBA. Because double one I am taking once. CBA means double one I am taking. Then BA I need one. I want BA. CBA is done. We need to see BCA also. This link, I hope this is not correct. This link. Let me wipe this link. You see here, we are having one A to B one, so that I am taking with B. B to D one, so I am taking one. D to F one, I am taking B. F to G I am taking 0. 0 means H inverse of 0 is A I am taking. That is nothing but triple BA. That string is covered here. Now in the same way, what I want other form also I want other string. What is other string I'm having for the same triple 1 0 means double 1 I'm taking at a time. C I can take, then 1 1 I can take B, then 0 I can take. CBA can be the string. Otherwise I can take B as the first, then BCA also I can take. Okay now. So see here now you are covered. CBA also is covered. You see A to D I'm going with C. Then because double 1 double 1 I'm taking together. That is nothing but C. Then here D to F. Yeah, D to F, I'm having one more one, no, that is triple 1 0. So one now represent what B, then otherwise represent A. Coming for the string BCA, B means already there, A to B is B. Then CA. C, if you want what you to do, from B to F you need to jump because double 1 represents C. So B to F, I'm jumping with this one as a C. Then it represents a double 1. Then single one more one is there, no? Right? 1 1 it is representing B. Double 1 it is representing, what is representing B? 1 1 is representing B, double 1 representing C. Then A. A means I am going to the final state. So all strings I have covered over the triple 1 0. Now coming to 0 1 1. You check here. 0 1 1 means 0 means from here A to C you are having 0. That 0 represents what? Inverse of A. It represents A. Then B. Why B? Because see, it is nothing but 0. It is 1 only. No. 0 1 1. This is 1. Please remember this is 1. 0 1 1. B. Next, once again 1. Once again 1 means what you are getting? B only again. 0, 1, 1. Or otherwise you can take directly 0 1 1 is having no. 0 1 1 means 0 means this is nothing but you can go H inverse of 0 is A. That is A to 0. C to G you can dump directly. And you can write here C to G, you can write here as C to G you can jump with the C, AC. So see all the strings I have covered in the DFA. The given DFA I have converted in this form. This is your H of L. Sorry. Yes, this is your H of L, and this is your H inverse of L of DFL. DFA. With DFA I have represented like this H inverse of L by following the rules. I hope it is clear. If any doubt anybody is having, please respond.
Clear, sir.
Yeah, remaining people please respond. Yeah, anybody is having any doubt? Please respond. Chinni.
No, sir, clear, sir.
Vani Chinni, 513.
Yes, sir, it is clear.
Remaining people all are clear. Saichan, Pallavi, 532,
Yeah,
543.
clear, sir.
So this is H inverse of L. Means what you have done for, yes. Yes, Vani, tell me. Vani, who is this person?
Sir,
Vidya.
I think.
Yes.
Yes,
Vidya,
sir.
tell me. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Remaining people are following. No, everybody is following. If any doubt you are having, you can ask. Okay, next. So this is what your property called homomorphism and inverse homomorphism. Both we have done. Let us go to the next concept that is called quotient. So we are going to see now quotient. So that quotient property is very important. Let me take new file. Please write down quotient. Quotient. It is your quotient. Okay. So now L1 by L2 I can write. L1 by L2. That is equal to you can write here L1 by L2 is nothing but quotient plus L1 comma L2 is equal to regular. Okay, next here. See, if I take a string normally like this, A, B, C, A, B, C, if I take ABC by ABC by, I can take one more form here. ABC by BC if I take. What I'll get if I take BC? I'll be getting equal to 0. Equal to 0, equal to A I'll be getting. This is called quotient. This is called quotient. Okay, now suppose if I take ABC by ABC, what does it give? It gives epsilon. What does it give? It gives epsilon because empty string here. Nothing is there, everything is left. No one here. Don't think ABC ones are cancelled and you'll get one. That is not there. This is epsilon. This is epsilon. Okay. Then if I take, very well all type of things. If I'm having UV by V, VV will go and you will remain with U. So this is what you are going to use as a quotient rule. Okay, no? Now take some examples, or I can write like this, the same form like this. See, in such a way, U such that UV belongs to L1. Sorry, V belongs to not UV. UV I can write here. UV, U belongs to L1 and V belongs to L2. Like that you can take. Okay, fine. So now I am going to give some examples in this question and you need to tell the answer. So one example we can take and it may make you to understand some time it may take because feeling like ABC by BC simple when the strings are long then it may consume a lot amount of time. So where you'll face to do much problems here. Let me take the first example here. Like first example I'm taking as L1 is equal to A star. L2 as B star. Now they are asking this I'm going to find L1 by L2. Quotient L1 by L2. What is the A star by B star? So what is A star by B star means? What can I take? Tell me. A star by B star. What I'll be getting A star by B star? I'll be getting A star. First A star, no? A star. In that A star, first one it can be epsilon. Right? Second one, A star by when you're having B, small b. Then A star. I can take not only one B, I can take double B also. Because A star by B star, no. Double B or like that I can continue till what time you want. So that is L1 by L2. When I take L2 by L1, L2 by L1. What is L2 by L1? Again, the same procedure you need to do and the same answer you will get. Okay, na? L2 by L1. What you will get L2 by L1? Again, same thing. That is B star divided by epsilon. Then B star divided by A, 1A, followed by double A, followed by double A, triple A. Like this, it continues. B star followed by triple S, or how many A's you want that many. That's it. This is an example. Because all possibilities you have to check. When I given simply, you can't write A star by B star. If they are given strings, you can write A star means it includes epsilon, it includes single A, double A, 3A's, 4A's, 5A's, and A's like this, A's continues. Like that you have to consider. Okay. So that is what we need to cover. That is the quotient property. You can take some more examples and you can cover it. But while doing it, be careful. Take this as an homework. L1 as A star B, L2 as A B star. Now divide L1 by L2 and L2 by L1. L1 by L2 means A star by B, A star by A epsilon, A star B by A B, then A star B by A double B, then triple B, 4 B's. Like this it continues. And where you are getting the answer, you will get it, otherwise it will be like that. Now L2 by L1 means A B star by A epsilon B, that is B, then AB, then double AB, then triple AB. Like that it goes on continuing. If anything is possible, you can cancel it, you can write on as per the rule. If both are same, I can write none. I can write epsilon, empty string. If nothing is there, I can write null pi, that is nothing but null is nothing but pi. So this is what please try to do as an homework. Yeah, next property is of property. Please, everybody has noted, understood or not, any problem you are having? Remaining people, no doubt. Others 516, 551, Manoj, Rakesh 544, 538, 523. Please respond with your
Yes,
audio.
sir.
Clear, sir.
Everybody is clear. The quotient. Quotient is nothing but dividing, getting the that one, you know very well. Quotient. While dividing, you take care here. You need to not write ABC by ABC means you can't write one. One is not available here. It's epsilon. Next property, write down half of L. These are very simple properties. No need to get test. But that is there in your syllabus. That's what I'm telling. Quotient. Sorry, quotient is done. No, half of F. Half of regular. I can take half of language L, that is regular only. Regular. Half of L is a regular. Half of L is a regular language and half of L also will be a regular language. Now let me take a small example to explain half of L. L is equal to, let L is equal to epsilon, that is I'm writing E with E. Epsilon means E. Then small a, comma AB, comma double A, comma AB, comma A double B, comma triple AB. Okay, Nana, is it clear? Now see, what is this f of L? How to find this f of L? You have to divide it two, that's it. Every string you take and divide it two. Now if I want to take, I can take like this. Epsilon I'll be taking first epsilon. Then epsilon I can divide into two. That is epsilon only it will remain. Now take AB. A you take. If you divide, what you will get? We cannot divide A, question mark. If you take AB, yes, I can make it of half. What is that? Here I can write as A and here I can write as B. Now if I take double A, yes, double A can be 10. Then see here, what is double A? I can write here A, other part I can write it here A. Then if I'm having A double B, AB I'm having, AB also can be divided, AB, A. If I'm having AB I can divide, AB already repeated, so no need to write once again, this one, no write. Then double A double B. I cannot divide into half, these three are there, that's why it's not possible. That is not possible here. Next, if I take double A double B, yes, I can divide it. How I can divide? That is, this one I can consider double A, and this one I can take it as double B. Is it clear? This is nothing but half. This is nothing but half of L. I can write 1 by 2 of 1 by 2. So what is the first half here? First half, second half. Properties are there, no? First half, second half. See, I can take first half. First half. What is the first half here? I done. First half L. I can write first half of L. First half of L. What is the first half of L here? I can write epsilon. I can take the first half of L. Epsilon I can take. I cannot divide this A. That's why not possible. Then I can take A. One and A I can take. Then other I can take A. And here I can take double A. This is nothing but first half. If you take the second half L. Second half. So when one string is there, we can't divide into half. That's why you should leave as it is. You can't do anything to that. Second half of L. There is nothing but I can take it as epsilon. Then I can write it as epsilon means here second half B A. Then what I cannot write this? I can write BB like that. Clear? BB. I can write BB because second half. That's why I'm writing BB. Clear? AB I can write BA epsilon also I can write second half means. Next, 1/3. Last 1/3 is there, 1/3 is there. Again, nothing but the same string divided into epsilon means I can write one more epsilon. So 1/3 epsilon will come. A cannot one. AB will not work for this. Okay, when you're going for 1/3, same example, where AB will not work because AB is having only two symbols. A will not work out. A double B will work out. For 1/3, A double B will work out. That is nothing but I can write small a, small b, small b. For 1/3, this one. Please don't forget, this is for 1/3. 1/3. Okay, this is for 1/3. Middle 1/3 is there, last 1/3 is there. That is nothing but if it is coming in middle, you write down in middle. If it is coming in last, write down last. That's it. So this is 1/3 property, 1/3 property, half property, first half property, second half property. All this many properties you have done. Symmetric difference will be seeing in the next class. Okay, anyway, let me take the attendance. Please copy it. Very important.